Nubia Z70 Ultra review. Hello dear friends, today I will introduce you to the Nubia Z70 Ultra up close. We will explore what this device offers with its design, performance, and camera. In this video, we will talk about design, display, performance, camera, battery life, and connectivity features. Before we start the video, I want to give a small reminder, my dear friend. It took us hours to prepare this video for you, but it only takes a few seconds to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This small support makes me and my team very happy. Thank you in advance for watching. Let's start. Design and build quality. The Nubia Z70 Ultra stands out with its sleek and durable design. The device measures 164.3 by 77.1 by 8.6 mm and weighs 228 grams. With a glass front, aluminium frame, and glass back, it provides a premium feel. Additionally, with IP68 and IP69 certifications, it is dust and water resistant, surviving up to 1.5 meters underwater for 30 minutes. A small reminder. Your support is very valuable to us. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Display. The 6.85-inch AMOLED screen offers stunning visuals with 1 billion color support, a 144 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, you can get a clear view even in the brightest sunlight. The screen resolution of 1216 by 2688 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19.89:9 provide a pixel density of 431p, enhancing your gaming and multimedia experience. A quick note. Your support motivates me. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Performance. The Nubia Z70 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm SM8750 Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Its octa-core CPU structure offers both fast and efficient performance. The Adreno 830 GPU delivers impressive graphics performance. The device comes with options of 256GB 12GB RAM, 512GB 16GB RAM, 1TB 16GB RAM, and 1TB 24GB RAM. With UFS 4.0 storage technology, it ensures high-speed data transfer. Remember, your support helps me create better content. Please subscribe to the channel. Software. The Nubia Z70 Ultra runs on the Android 15 operating system and is supported by the Nubia iOS user interface. With a user-friendly interface and regular updates, the device stays up to date. Camera. The rear camera system is quite powerful and offers various features. A 50MP wide-angle main camera with an f/1.6 to 4.0 aperture, 35mm focal length, 1.56 sensor size, and OIS support enables you to take excellent photos. A 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera with an f/2.0 aperture, 13mm focal length, 122 wide-angle, and AF support is ideal for wide perspective photos. A 64MP telephoto camera with an f/2.5 aperture, 70mm focal length, 0.0 sensor size, PDAF, OIS, and 2.7x optical zoom features. The front camera is 16MP with an f/2.0 aperture. This camera provides wide selfies with its 24mm focal length. It is located under the display, offering a wider viewing area. A small reminder. Subscribing and liking the video would make me very happy. Video recording. The rear camera can record video at 8K 30fps, 4K at 30/60/120fps, and 1080p at 30/60fps. With gyro ICE, HDR10, and 10-bit video support, it is possible to shoot professional quality videos. The front camera offers 1080p video recording at 30fps. A friendly suggestion. By subscribing to the channel, you can give me great support. Battery life. With a 6150 mAh battery capacity, the Nubia Z70 Ultra offers long-lasting usage. It supports 80 watts wired charging and can quickly recharge with PD 3.0 and QC4 support. Your support is very important. Please don't forget to subscribe and like connectivity. The device features a wide range of connectivity options including 5G support, dual SIM card slots, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, Apt HD, Apt Adaptive, NFC, and an infrared port. An under-display optical fingerprint reader and stereo speakers are also among the device's key features. Don't forget to subscribe. This small step is a great source of happiness for me. Price and evaluation. The Nubia Z70 Ultra stands out with its superior performance, advanced camera features, and strong battery life. It comes with a price tag of around $800. Although the price seems a bit high, considering the features it offers, it is well worth it. Especially for professional photographers and tech enthusiasts, it is a great choice. Thank you for watching my video. I prepared this video for you, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button as a token of appreciation for my effort. As long as you like my videos, I will continue to find and review the latest technology products and prepare videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.